Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys, and today I will teach you how to create a fully functional e-commerce store website from beginning to end with a stunning design using absolutely free tools and theme. The theme which we are going to use to create our website is completely free, and all the tools or the page builder which we are going to design our pages is also completely free. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and also us your support and love by liking our video. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of new video every week. So let me show you a demo of the website we are going to build today. So here you can see that this is the home page of our website. On the top we have a contact info on left and various links on the right hand side. Here you can see that we have and then here we have this logo and a tagline for this e-commerce website and a link to the shopping cart. Here we have, if you want to go to this directly to your shopping cart, then you can click on it and you can go to your shopping cart. After that we have all our categories product listed below. These are the categories. If you will click on them, then they will it will be directly redirect to you to different category pages. Then next we have this banner with a description and call to action button. Notice the background image effect here. It doesn't move with the scrolling page. The background image is at a single page, and when we are scrolling, the text are going. And after that we have this another section. Here you can see that with categories with background images. And then we have a feature product section here with four products such as we have here features product section with four products, each as an image box showing the product name, its rating, its price, and an option to add to cart button. After that finally here we have this another banner with full width for a particular category followed by a section. So here you can see that some more details with some pictures about the category of products we are showing. And then here you can see that we have a call to action to follow us to our Instagram. So here you can attach your Instagram account directly. Finally here you can see that we have this elegant footer with important links, social media links, and a newsletter subscription box. So now let us see our let me open this shop page, or basically you can call it as a product page. And when we go to this product page and click on it, the product page with same header opens on the page. You get this image of the product with its price, description, information. If you will open a single product page, here you can see that the same image, and here you can see this description. And then here if you want in reviews also, you can check the reviews. And then after that here you can see this related product option. You also get a button to add to cart these products. You can directly add to cart. So let me add a product and show you. So here I will let me click on these products. So here you can see that I have added these to cart. And then let us click on this cart option and let us see the cart page. So here you can see that the items we added, as you keep adding more items to cart, they will keep appearing here. So here you can see that if I want to add some more quantity, then also here I can add. So now let's place an order here using the proceed to checkout. So here you have to once to place the order, click on this proceed to checkout option. And then here I have to fill dummy data. So let me quickly fill the dummy data. So ASDF, you can use any of this data. And then for this address you can place a dummy address here also. Let me quickly uh, place for you. Let me fill up these things. And then here you can tick mark on this clear create an account, because we don't have any account. And then here I am using this cash on delivery, placing a order. So here you can see as this order is placed, so here you can see we are getting this order details and all, then billing address. And then if we will go to this my account page, uh, so here in this my account page, we have this, let me show you. In this order section you can see, you if any action is taken to your order, you can see it from here. There are these are the main components of our website. So more details you will look into while developing the website. Now that you have seen what our target website will look like, so basically these are the basic settings for our website. So here if you this is how it's going to function. Along with that, we have this contact us form page, where you, if someone wants to contact you, they can directly fill this form, and they can submit a request, and they can directly contact you. So with this so I must suggest you to watch this video completely, so that you will be have no doubt when you will completely watch this video. And do watch the complete video, so that you don't miss any important points that I will mention while creating this website. And please ask any query by leaving a comment down below. So in the comment section below, I will definitely answer your queries if you have any queries. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and also let us know which website you would like to learn next. So that I will love to create that category, that type of website. So at first, to create any website, we need a domain and hosting to set up the website. So for that, we need to go to this. So for to purchase, if you don't have any domain or hosting, then you can go to this cmsguys.com/nametip. So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now, and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same, as it is very easy to use and configure, and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price, and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are three plans here. You can see that I personally use this Stellar business plan, as it suits my requirements. But if you are starting out, I recommend you to use you can purchase this Stellar Plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unmetered SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc., that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can, if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country. And here on this top right corner, here you can see that all the price are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee, as I am from India. Then let's select the Stellar Plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that, when you will select this Stellar Plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get. So enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that, here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do these CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that, when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can, and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become 0. And then domain register, domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription. And domain registration, if you want to increase, then also you can increase your domain registration. And if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order. After verifying the domain, you can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page, here you can see that it is asking you about this login credential. If you have, if you don't have any account, then you can create an account. And if you have any if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more you have to click on this continue, and then after that you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirected to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, so our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard, you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to C panel. So from here you can it will be redirect you to the C panel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress, we have to scroll down to bottom. And or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the in WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name, the cms, let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description, I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it the same as guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also. Or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme. And finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it, then we will get one message for our WordPress. And so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in, where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp hyphen admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative URL, the same URL, it will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password, which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. So here you can see that this is the dashboard, and let me quickly give you the overview and quick setting on the dashboard before going to start creating this website. So here what I will do, first here you can see that we have post. So in this post, whatever post, if you want to post anything, if you want to post something about your products, or if you want to post something related to your e-commerce website, then you can write some blog post over here and you can post on your website. So here now you can see that you will find one hello world post, so no need to keep this one, you can click on this trash to delete this hello world post. So let me quickly delete it. So here you can see that in trash you will find the hello world post, and if you want to delete this hello world post permanently, you can click on this delete permanently to delete this hello world post. And you can create different categories to the post, you can give different categories, different tags to your post. Whatever post you are writing, you can give them different categories and different tags. Then here it is coming to the menu section. Then the next section is the media section. So here in the media section you can see that we can upload all the images, and here you can see it suppose this images, audio, video, document, spreadsheet, all the file format it supports. So whatever the images which we are going to use, all will be present in this media section. So you can upload images directly to this media folder also, or I will show you what are the other methods to upload your photos and all to the media library. So after that here you can see that next we have a pages. So here you will find this default pages with the name of privacy policy and then this sample page. So no need to keep these pages because these pages are of no use. So you can select all the pages from here, and then under bulk action you can select to move to trash, and then click on this apply button to delete these pages. So now here you will find the pages which we have deleted are now on trash, so we can delete them permanently by selecting them from here. And under bulk action we can select this delete permanently, and then when we will click on apply button, it will be delete permanently. So now here in the pages section, let us now create one page. So here I will click on this add new to create one new page, and here you can see that it is asking me about the title. So let me give it a title home, and then let me publish it. So now here you can see that page is published. So let me view the page on a new tab. So here you can see that this is how this home page is not how it is going to look like. So no need to worry, because this is I have just shown you how to create a page, but we will change the entire design of the page and all that too completely from the scratch. So no need to worry. After that click on this WordPress logo to go back to the pages section, and then let us go to the appearance section. So here in appearance you can see that this 2021 theme is activated. So here these themes are basically gives styling to our pages or website. So we can use different types of themes for different, suppose if you want to create any other website, service website or anything, you can use different types of themes. So here I must recommend you to use only a single theme. So here you can see that you will find one theme is activated and other rest of the two themes are present over here. So if you want to activate this 2020 theme, just you have to click on this activate button, and now here you can see that 2020 theme is active. So now when I will refresh the page, so here you can see that the entire design of the website is changed. So you can this give the style to your this website. So theme, you can choose any of the theme. So let me delete the rest of this 2019 and 2021 theme, because we have to use only a single theme. So there must be present only a single theme in our theme section. So to delete a theme, you have to again click on this theme details, and after that click on this delete option, and then click on OK button to confirm the delete. So here you can see that this 2019 theme is deleted. So now again we have to delete this 2021 theme also. So click on this theme details again. After that again we will click on this delete option, and then click on this OK button to confirm the delete. So now we have this 2021 theme only, 2020 theme only. So no need to worry, because we are going to use any other theme. So now let us move to this plugin section. So now here in this plugin section, here as I am getting these two plugins only, but maybe you can get more than two plugins also. So these plugins are not of any use. So I must recommend you to use minimum number of plugins which are required for your website only. So here let me quickly delete this plugin. So to delete this plugin, you can select this plugin from here. After that under bulk action, you can click on this delete option, and then when you will click on this apply button, and when you will click on this OK to confirm the delete. So here you can see that the plugins were also deleted. So in this way I must tell you to use only a minimum number of plugins on your website, and plugin gives you the extra features on your website. So if you want to add some extra features, if you want to add payment gateway, so you can use plugin to add the payment gateway. And if you want to make the website e-commerce website, then there is one plugin with a famous plugin with the name of WooCommerce. We are going to use that plugin to create this e-commerce website. So next we have this user section. So here you can see that I am getting my only a single user. Suppose your website is maintained by more than single person, then you can create access for them and share them the credentials, so that they can also log into this dashboard of the WordPress and they can do their work. Suppose someone has created or someone has do some changes on the pages. Suppose someone has do any changes to the home page or any other page, then you can also track them, that who has changed that page or who has changed that design. And also it is necessary to create access or create credentials to your users who are going to contribute on your website. So now let me show you how you can do that. You have to click on this add new after the user, and here you have to enter a username, email, first name, last name, and then password. And then here you have to give them a role of author, editor or administrator, whatever role you want to give, you can give them that role, and then here you can create access for them. Next we have this tools option. So skip this tool option because there is nothing important is there. Now let us go to the setting. So now here in setting you can see that we have this site title and then tagline. So in our new page, here you can see that here it is the site title with the name of eCommerce 8. And here when I am going to this site title, so let me again go back to the home page, or what we can when someone will visit our website. So here you can see that this site title and the tagline is visible over here in the tab. So let me change the tagline to buy. So here you can see that I have changed the tagline, and then when I will click on save changes, let me refresh the page, and now here you can see that the website title and then the tagline is changed. So here after that, here you can see that make sure you have given a correct administration email address, because if you will forget the credential for your dashboard, then you can reset your password using this administration email address only. So make sure you have given a correct and working administration email address. After that, here you can see that we have a membership option over here. So make sure you have enabled this, anyone can register on this website, as we are going to create this e-commerce website. So make sure you have enabled this membership option, anyone can register, and new user default role must be this subscriber, so that when some customers will register on your website, then their role will be a subscriber. After that, if you want to change the date format or time format, then here you can see, if you want to make a custom date format or custom time format, you can also do that one. Now let me click on save changes. Then here you can see that on reading, here you are seeing this your home page display. So let me tell you about what does this mean. So here in our demo website, if you will see that when I am on my main website, here it is ecommerce8.thecmsguys.com. this is my website, and I am on the home page only. If I am clicking on this home button also, I am on the same page. But in our demo website, here this is my page, and here you can find this home. If I am clicking on this home, here you can see that slash home is coming. So here, but we don't have that slash home part. So to remove that one and make this home page in our front page, we have to select this your home page display a static page, and here home page we have to select our home. And then if we will click on this save changes, now let me refresh the page, and here you will find that slash home part will be gone. So here you can see that we are seeing the home page only, and when I am clicking on this home page only, but there is no slash home part is coming. So we have to, if you want to make any page as a front page, you can do this one, your home page display, and you can select that page as a home page. Now after that, here you can go to this permalink setting, and make sure you have selected this post name in this permalink setting, and then click on this save changes. Now let us go back to the dashboard, and then here in the dashboard, here you will find that there are different options like this site health status, quick draft. So these are options, if you don't want to see them, and if you want to make your dashboard clean, you can click on this screen option, and you can untick all of these things, so that these will be not appear in your dashboard. So now here you can see that our dashboard is completely looking clean. So with this, we have completed all the settings that is required before starting creating of our website. We have done all the settings required for the dashboard. After that, now let us start installing the plugin and installing the theme with which we are going to create our website. So now let's move to install our plugin and theme which we require to create our website. So first of all, I will click on this appearance, and here you can see that this 2020 theme is activated. So now let us first install the theme which we require. So to install a theme, you have to click on this add new button, and then here you can see find one search theme option. So on that search theme, search for Ocean WP, and then here you can see that this is the theme which we have required to install. So click on this install button, and then wait for some time, and then this theme will be installed. So let's wait for some time till that this theme will be installed. So now here you can see that this theme is installed, and then I have to click on this activate button to activate this theme. So let me click on this activate, and now here you can see that Ocean WP theme is activated, and here is the 2020 theme. So when I will refresh the page, so here you can see that this is how our page is going to look like. So first of all, as I have already told you to keep only a single theme, so let me delete this 2020 theme. I will click on this theme details, and then again I will click on this delete option, and then I will click on this OK button to confirm the delete. So when we install this theme, so here you can see one option is coming, this theme is recommend the following plugin, Ocean Extra. So let me tell you about what this Ocean Extra plugins do. So as you can see that in our home page, so we have this home title and then we have here the sidebar, but in our demo theme we don't have any title bar or any sidebar. So let me again go to the pages section, and here I will click on this edit on home page, and then here you can see that we don't have any option to make or to disable this head title bar or this sidebar. So now what I will do, I will again click on this WordPress logo, and then here click on this begin installing the plugin. So let's install this plugin. So I will click on install to install this Ocean Extra plugin. So here you can see that the plugin is getting downloaded and installed. So here you can get a message of successfully installed the plugin. So now again let's go to the pages section, and then here when I will click on the edit on the home page, here you can see that I am getting one extra setting for this Ocean WP setting. And if I want to make the content layout full width, I can make it, I can disable the padding, and let me click on update and show you. So here you can see that when I have made it full width and disable the padding, so here you can see that we have only this title bar. So here you can see that we have one title option here, go to that, and if you will disable the title, and let me click on update, and when I will refresh the page, here you can see that the title has also gone. So now we have completely blank home page. So here you can see, let us go back to the dashboard again, and now let us start installing the required plugins. So click on this plugins, and here you will find that Ocean Extra plugin only activated because we have installed it earlier. So now to install a plugin, again click on this add new, and let's start installing the required plugins. So first of all we are going to use Elementor page builder. So let's search here the plugin name with Elementor, and when you will type the Elementor, you will get this first option, Elementor website builder by elementor.com. So we have to install this one. So click on this install now. After that here you can see that we have an option of essential add-on for Elementor, and then if you will scroll down, here you can find this premium add-ons for Elementor, and then here you can see this Element Kits Lite. So these are adding extra features to our Elementor website builder, because we are going to use the free version of the Elementor website builder. So there are some pro features are not available in the free version. To add extra features to the Elementor website builder, we have to install this essential add-ons for Elementor, and then we have to install this premium add-ons for Elementor, and then we have to install this Element Kits Elementor add-on. So let's wait for this. Here you can see that essential add-ons Elementor is installation finished. So now here we have to wait for this Element Kits add-on to finish. So after that, here you can see that this we have completed with this Element Kits Elementor add-ons. So let us now install the WooCommerce. So here I will search for WooCommerce, and let us now install the WooCommerce. So here you can see this WooCommerce. So you have to click on this install now. So before installing this, because when we will install it, we have to do the some setup for the WooCommerce. Let us first install the contact form. Contact form 7 we are going to use to create our contact forms. So here you can see that let me again search for contact form 7. So this one is the contact form 7 by Takayuki Miyoshi. We are going to use this. So click on this install now to install this plugin. So as I have not activated those Elementor website builder also, because we are going to activate them all the plugins in a single click. Let me show you how. So again I will click on this install plugin, and then here you will find a list of all the plugins which we have installed. So let me select all the plugins, and here I will untick this Ocean Extra because I have already installed it, and this one is activated. So now what I will do, under bulk action I will select activate, then I will click on apply button to activate the plugin. So now when you will see here, you can see let me go to the plugin section again, and then here you can see that all the plugins were activated in a single click. Now you can cross mark these things because these things are not required at all, so you can dismiss this thing. You can click on this no thanks, and then you can skip the setup. So now let us add the WooCommerce plugin, which provides or which help us to create this e-commerce website. So let me again click on this add new on the plugin section, and here I will search for WooCommerce. And then here you can see that WooCommerce by automatic, we have to install this plugin. So let us click on install now to install the plugin. So now here you can see that this WooCommerce plugin is installed. Now what I will do, I will click on this activate button to activate this WooCommerce plugin. Let us activate. When I will click on this activate button, so let's, here you can see that it is getting activated. So let's wait. So now here you can see that it is automatically come this WooCommerce setup wizard. So now what, here we have to enter our store address and all. So let me enter the dummy address of our store. So here I will, let me quickly enter dummy address. For this address line 2, although it is optional, I can leave it. Then I have to select this country. So let me select country, and then again city, and then here it is asking for pin code. So let me enter the dummy pin code, and then here I will click on continue, and then here you can click on this no thanks. After that, here you can see that in which industry does the store operate. So if you are selling health and beauty product, or electronics product, or food and drink, or if you are selling home and furniture, or education and learning things if you are selling, or if you are selling this fashion and apparel and accessories, so according to your industry you can select this thing. So I am going to select this fashion, apparel and accessories. Then I am click on this continue button. After that, here you can see that it is asking you about what type of products will be listed. So here I am selecting this physical product because I am selling a physical product. As you can see that here we have this, all this on e-commerce website we have listed over all these physical products only. So now what I will do here again I will click on continue, and then here you can see that it is asking us about how many products we have planned to display and currently selling elsewhere. So here let me select 1 to 10 number of products, and then currently selling elsewhere, here I will select no. And then after that, here you can see it is telling us to install these plugins. So I must recommend you, no need to use any of this thing. But if you have suppose if you are running this Facebook ads or Google ads, then you can install these plugins. Or if you have this if you are doing email marketing, then you can maybe install this MailChimp one. So now what I will do, let's next then click on this continue to go, and then here you can see that it is asking you about choosing of a theme. So as we have already installed this Ocean WP theme, so here I will click on this continue with my active theme, because we are not going to use any of this theme, because we are going to build this website completely from scratch. So now here let me click on continue with my active theme, and then here you can see again it is asking us about this jetpack to install this jetpack plugin. But I must say no need to install this one also. You can click on this no thanks and then move forward. So now here we have this introduction when we have installed this. Now here you can see that we have done with this store details and all. So these are the things which I am going to later on tell you how to add a product, how to choose a payment method, how to add tax rate to your e-commerce website, how to set up this shipping cost, how to personalize your store. Everything I am going to cover next. So now as you have seen that we have done with our WooCommerce setup of our store details and all. Now let us go back to the dashboard again. So here in the dashboard, if you will find that some of this Elementor overview, this Ocean WP overview, WP Met stories, these are of unnecessarily, these are coming. We don't need to see these things. So what you can do, you can again click on the screen option and you can untick all of this thing, and now here you can see that those WP Met Elementor overview stories all has gone now. So now let me tell you next how to set up, what are the settings you have to do on your WooCommerce setting. So now let us go to the WooCommerce setting and I will tell you what are the necessary setting you have to do, how to set a tax rate, everything I am going to cover over there. So to do the WooCommerce setting, what we have to do, first of all, hover over this WooCommerce and then here you will find this settings option. Click on that setting option to go to the WooCommerce setting. So let me again hover over the WooCommerce and click on the settings. So now here you can see that this is the WooCommerce setting has opened. Now again we have already set up this WooCommerce address, store address and all. So now after that, here you can see we on general option we have this selling location. So if you are selling this physical products, then you have must select this selling location, on which location you are selling. Suppose if you are selling only a single state, then also you can select. If you are selling to a specific country, you can also select. So here you can, if you will select this selling to all countries except for, then what are the countries name you will enter here, for those countries will be accept. So now here I will select this sell to a specific country, and then here what are the country name you will enter, like this here you can, if you will Algeria, and then here if you will enter any of this Antarctica and all. So you you are selling to these specific countries only. So let me quickly select here selling to a specific country, and then country name I am going to give over here India. So now here you can see that I have selected this India only, and then here shipping location, here you can select shipping location like ship to all countries, or ship to specific countries only, or here you can disable shipping and shipping calculation. If you are selling a digital product, then you can must disable this shipping and shipping calculation, but we are selling, so here we can select this ship to all countries you sell to. It means where you have selected the shipping location, on that address, as you can see that we are only selling to a specific country, that's why India only, that's why here on shipping location ship to all countries you sell to means it will be only on India. After that, on default customer location, you can set this geolocate or shop base address. So you must select this geolocate, and then if you want to enable these taxes, then you can click on this enable tax rate and calculation to enable the taxes. So let me click on the tick mark to enable the taxes. After that, if you want to sell coupons on your website, or if you want your customer will use coupon codes, then you can enable this use of coupon code, or if you want to disable, then you can untick this, and then there will be no coupon option available when someone is check out their product. So if you want to enable the coupon, then you can enable this option, and then if you want that customer can apply multiple coupons, then you can also enable this one. Then your customer will be able to apply multiple coupons on any of the product. So I don't recommend this multiple coupons thing, so you can untick this one. And then here you can see we have this currency option. So here you can select your currency. So let me select the currency Indian rupee, and then here you can see that currency position. So here we have to select our currency position. So I will left it as left only, because our currency position is left. And then here we have this 1000 separator, so I can give it a comma, and then decimal separator I will give a dot mark. So now here you can see that we have done all the settings. So let's click on save changes. Now let us move to this products option. So when you will click on this products option, so here you can must sure that this shop page will be selected to this shop. So let me show you one interesting thing. I will open this pages option on another tab, and here you can see that as we have installed that WooCommerce plugin, here we are getting these pre-made pages like cart page, checkout page, my account page, shop page. All of these pages were created by WooCommerce automatically. Cart page is for to view the cart, and then this checkout page is for the checkout of a product, and my account page for the customer who were sign up on your website and they can view their orders and all. And then this shop page is to view all your products which you have listed on your website. So after installing the WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce has installed these pages on your website. Now let us go back to the WooCommerce setting, and here make sure you have selected the shop pages to shop. And then here if you want to add to cart behavior, if you want to redirect to the cart after successful addition, if someone will click on this add to cart button on any product, then if you want to redirect them directly to the cart page or checkout page, then you can enable this one. And when someone will click on this add to product, then they will be directly redirect to the cart page. After that, here you can see we have to select these measurements for weight and dimension. So let me leave a centimeter for dimension default, and then for weight I will select this gram. After that, if you want to enable review for your website, then you can enable this product reviews, and then if you will untick, if you will tick mark this one, so verified owner label, then as you know, like big WooCommerce website, e-commerce website like Flipkart and Amazon, when some verified customer leave a product review, then there this verified customer label is showing after their name. So in this way, in our website also this verified owner will be visible if someone has purchased that product, and if he or she is leaving comment or leaving review about that product, then this verified owner label will be visible. After that, here you can see if you want to enable this product star rating, you can enable this, or if you don't want, you can disable this thing. Now click on save changes. After that, here you can see this, we have one inventory option. So let us go to that inventory option. So here in this inventory option, you are getting a setting of this manage of stock. So if you are make sure you have enabled this stock management. And then here if you have given a correct email address on this notification receipt, then whenever you are going out of stock of any product, or you have a low stock of any product, then you will get a notification mail on this email address. So make sure you have do these things. And then now let me click on save changes. Now let us go to the tags. So first of all, let me close these things. So here in this tags you can see that price entered with tags. So make sure you have select this no, because whatever the price you will enter, that those price must be exclusive of tax. And then when someone is purchasing from your website, WooCommerce will do that part automatically. It will be adding the tax price automatically for the product. So make sure you have selected this no, I will enter price exclusive of tax. And then here calculate tax based on, here you can select this customer billing address, and then or you can select this shop base address. So make sure customer billing address is selected. After the shipping tax class, if you want, you can give a different shipping tax class like standard or anything, zero rate or anything. So let me first here add a tax class. So first of all, what I will do, I will add GST 18. So as in India we are going through this GST, so goods and service tax. So I have written here GST 18. And then here you will find this shipping tax classes based on cart items. Shipping tax class, if you want, you can make it standard or zero rate or reduced rate. So make it zero rate, because we are not going to calculate tax on the shipping one, because we have a flat fee for the shipping. We don't need to calculate the shipping, don't need to calculate the tax on the shipping fee. So leave it as, and then click on this save changes. After that, here you will find that we are getting one more option, GST 18 rate. So now let us customize or add the row for this GST one. So here what I will do, I will click on this insert row, and then in country code I will type IN for India, and then you can leave this state code and city and all. So go to this rate percentage directly and give it 18.00, means 18%. After that, here you can see you can give a name, so I will give here GST 18, and then let me click on this save changes to save this GST tax rate. So as you can see, we have saved this 18% of GST tax rate. Then let us go to the shipping settings. So go to select this shipping option, and then here you can see you are getting this shipping zones to add. Before that, let us go to the shipping classes and add a shipping class. Suppose there are two type of customer. If you want to sell your product on bulk, then you can select a different shipping price for the bulk orders. So let me click on this add shipping class, and here I will give a shipping class of bulk, so that if someone wants to purchase this bulk, then they can purchase an order. Here I will give a bulk purchase description. So let me type here, and then I will click on save shipping classes. After that, let us go to this shipping zones, and here let us add a shipping zone. To add a shipping zone, you can click on this add shipping zone, and then here you can give a zone name. So let me give it India, and then zone region we have to select. You can select a country where you are selling. So here I have selected this India, and then shipping method, I will click on add shipping method. And then if you want to add a flat rate or free shipping, so you can do that. I will select this flat rate and then click on add shipping method. Once you have added this flat rate, so it means you can charge a fixed rate for shipping. And then let me click on edit over here, and then method here it will be tax status, you can make it none. And then here let me cost for a flat rate, I will select cost it 150. And as you have know, we have created one more shipping classes with the name of bulk. If someone is purchasing on bulk, then you can make charge it for 500, because they are purchasing in a heavy quantity, so it may take a more shipping cost. So here you can give them 500, and then let me click on save changes. So here you have seen we have set up the shipping cost also. Now here in this shipping option, you can see enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, so that the shipping will be calculated on the cart page only. And then default to customer, and then these are rest of the things are okay. Now click on save changes. Now let us go to the payment option, and let's see how we can do the payment integration on our e-commerce website. So here in this payment option, you can see you can enable this cash on delivery option, and then if you want to enable this PayPal option, you can enable this PayPal option from here also. After that, here you have to click on this save changes. So now let me tell you how you can enable this PayPal. So you have to click on this manage option. Then here you can see you have to enter your PayPal identity token, and then here you have to use your API credentials. You have to generate API from your PayPal account, and then when you will paste your API username, live API password, and live API signature, here you will find that the PayPal payment gateway will be started. So now let me tell you for Indian what we are using. So we can use Instamojo or Razorpay. So let me tell you how you can do that. So first of all, you have to go to this plugin option, and then let us add a new plugin. So here I am just let me search here for Razorpay. So now here you can see that Razorpay for WooCommerce by Team Razorpay. We have to install this plugin to integrate Razorpay. So let me quickly click on this install now, and then I will show you what are the details and all you have to fill up to integrate this Razorpay option. So now what I will do, let me show you another option. So here let me click on activate to activate this Razorpay. So here you can see that Razorpay is activated. So now again click on this add new, And suppose if you have an Instamojo account and you want to integrate Instamojo, so let me show you for that one also. So here you can see that if you will scroll down here, you will find this Instamojo for WooCommerce by Instamojo. Means Instamojo team has developed this Instamojo for WooCommerce, although it is very much old, 2 years ago. You can try with these one also, charitable Instamojo payment gateway, or you can using this NitPay also you can do. So now I will do hover over this WooCommerce and then go to the setting, and let me show you razor pay option. So here I will go to this payment tab, and here you can see that this razor pay is active. Now click on this manage option, and then here you have to enter this key ID and key secret to enable this razor pay. And then if you want to enable this razor pay webhooks, then you can enable this. You have a instruction guide to razor pay webhook, and you can enable this razor pay webhook events, and you have to enter this webhook secret. And then here after clicking on this save changes, you can enable this razor pay integration. So here I have not entered my key ID and key secret, so it is not showing an error message. Now let us go to this accounts and privacy option. So here in this account and privacy option, here you can see that we have one option of guest checkout, allow customer to place order without an account. So make sure you have untick this. Allow customer to log into an existing account, you have to tick this one, so that they can log in during the checkout option. After that, account creation, allow customer to create an account during checkout, you can enable this. Allow customer to create an account on my account page, enable this one. And then here automatically generate of account username, untick this. And automatically generate an account password, untick this. Let your customer to create their username and create their password. After that, here you can see that we don't need to change all of these things. So here you can see one option, registration privacy policy. If you want to change this registration privacy policy text or checkout privacy policy text, you can add your own checkout and registration privacy policy text. So now let me click on save changes and move forward to next. So here next we have this email tab, and here email, you can set up these emails auto, so that here you can see that whenever you will get a new order or cancelled order or failed order, it will be mailed you to your administration email address. As you can see that here we have set up this administration email address. So if you want to change this mail structure and what are the information you require, you can set up that one. After that, if your customer order on hold, or their order is processing, or their order is completed, then they are going to this all this customer note, or if you have a reset password, if a customer want to reset the password, or if your customer has created a new account, then these mail will be automatically generated and sent to their customer email address. So if you want to customize this mail also, you can customize. Clicking on this manage option, you can customize these mails. Now next we have this integration, so no need to do with any integration. So now on this advanced, here you can see, make sure you have selected this cart page with cart, checkout page with checkout, and my account page with my account. And then if you will enable, make sure you have must enable this force checkout, so that your website must be HTTPS to if you are adding some payment gateway, so you must have an SSL certificate for your website. So make sure you have tick mark this force HTTPS checkout, and then here you can enable this one also, force HTTP when leaving the checkout. Then now we have done with all the basic settings for the WooCommerce. Now let us go back to the dashboard, and here you will see that earlier it was on step 1, now we have on step 2 of 6, and we have to follow more 4 steps for this. So here you can see that we have to start up with a template. So here you can select this physical product, and here you will get a demo of this physical product. So I am not going to do that one. Here you can add a product name and all. So let me quickly tell you how you can do that one. So here I will click on this move to trust, so that it will be go back. So now let me go back to the dashboard again. So let me tell you about how to add a product to your website. So now let me tell you how we can add a product. So to add a product, here under WooCommerce you will find this product option. So click on that product option, and then here we have to add a new product. So let me open on our demo website, let me open this a single product page. So here you can see that this is how the single product page is going to look like. So here I will click on add new to add a new product. So let me copy the name of the product. Here I will give the product name as a product 1, and then here you can see that we have a description for the product. So let me copy the description from here, and then what I will do, I will paste the description. Now if you want to make this description part to h1, or make this particular sentence, suppose this line or this description one, if you want to make it heading 2, and then let me show you. And if you want to do this bullet point, you can select all these and you can select this bullet point, and you can add these bullet points to the text. So as you can see that we have designed this description. After that the description, here you can see that we have this category women, and then let us tell you how you can add this women and all. So here on this side, here you can see that we have this product category. Here you can create different categories for your product. So as you have see here we have this clothing and hoodies. Under clothing we have hoodies, but we are not going to use them. To add a new category, you have to click on this add new category, and then here I will type here women, and then after clicking on enter, here you can see that here we have created this women category. And then here you have see that we have this product image. So if you want to give this product some tags, then also you can give product tags like a woman, and then dress, you can give tags like this to the product. And then here you can see that the product image. So let me upload the image. So when you will open this, when you will select the files to upload, so you will get that file where you have to upload. So let me tell you. So you are going to exactly get this folder from where you will get all the images. So let me quickly upload this from product folder. I will upload all the product images. So now here you can see that I have uploaded this all the 5 product images. Let me select this one, and then I will set as product image. And then if you have more number of image for a single product, then you can use this product gallery image, but we have only a single image, so that's why we are using this single image only. Now what I will do, so now let us set the product price and all. So here you can see that on product data we have to select this simple product, and then we have to set a regular price. So here you can see that the regular price of this product is 20, and then here we have this 17. So if you want to give the product on sale, then you have to enter the price, and here the regular price should be the greater than the sale price. So here you can see that I have given the regular price to 20, then this sale price must be less than this regular price. It cannot be. If I will enter here 25, then here you can see that we are getting a error message. So let me make it 15. And then as we have created already this tax classes, so here you can selected this taxable status, you can make it none. Then tax class, here you can select this GST 18, and then make sure you have if you want to enable the taxable for this product, you can select this taxable, then it will be enable the tax. And if you don't want to make this taxable, then here you can select none, and then the product will be not taxable. After that, let's go to the inventory section. So here in this inventory section you can see this SKU code. So here SKU code means here you can see that this is the unique name given to a particular product. It refers to, means it helps you to maintain the stock of that particular product. So here let me give a SKU code for this product. I will give it a product 001. And then if you want to manage your stock, then you can click on this enable manage stock, and then from here you can manage the stock for your product. So let me tell you how you can this stock quantity. Suppose you have a 50 number of stocks for this particular product, and then if you want to allow this back order, so if this what this back order means, it will be the less than the stock quantity 0, then also back orders are allowed. Means if you have the quantity 0 also, then also the customers can place the order for this product. So make sure it is not allowed. And then low threshold, so here you can suppose here you will, if you will select this 10 number, then when the stock quantity goes to the 10, then it will be, you will be getting the notification that you have a low stock for this product with this SKU code and all. So now let's go to the shipping, and here you can select this weight and dimension for your product. So let me give it a 200 gram, and then I will give it 15, 20, 15. Now the shipping class, here if you want to enable as a bulk, or if you want to give a shipping class, you can give it from here. And then for this links, if you want to upsell or give a cross sell for your product, then also you can do. So these are the basic settings by which we can create a product listing. So now if I will click on this publish button, now let me open this product and show you on a new tab, or I will click delete these options. So here you can see that this is how we have created our product page. So now what we have to do, if you want to make this changes, or here we have to customize the sidebar. So I will going to tell you how you can customize this sidebar and all. So here if you have seen that this is how you can create a single product. So now what I will do, as you can see that we have to create different products. So now let me go to the home page. So as you can see, we have this 3 to 5 numbers of product here. So now let us create some product listing, so that it will be easier for us to create our home page. So before going to start creating our home page, I am going to adding some more number of products here. So as you can see, I am going to add here more number of products, so that it will be help us to create our website. So after adding some product, we will be starting to create our home page. So now here you can see that I have added some more number of products, so that it will be help us to create our home page. So now let us start creating our home page. So first of all, again I will go to this pages section, and from here you can see that we have already this home. So click on edit, and then here I am going to click on this edit with Elementor. So after clicking on this edit with Elementor, our Elementor page builder is going to get loaded. So now here you can see that our Elementor page builder is loaded. So now let's start creating our first section for the home page. So here we can see that this is the first section of our home page. We have only these text on the left hand side, and we have this image on the right hand side. So now let us start creating this. So now for that, in our home page, I am going to click on this plus icon to create a section. So here you can see that it is a add new section. So let us add a section with 2 columns. So on the left hand side, we have to add the text. So first of all, click on this 9 dot and go to the widget section of the Elementor, and from here you have to drag this heading on the left hand side. So here you can see that we have this text over here. So what I will do, let me copy the text from here, and in the title part I will paste the text. So as you can see that we have this text aligned center. So I will make this alignment to center, and then I will go to this text color, and then I will change the text typography. So to change all of this, you have to go to the style tab, and from here you have, let us make the text color black, and then from this typography, click on this pencil icon to change the typography. So here now I am going to give it a font family of Montserrat. So let me give it Montserrat, and then I will give it a size of 32 pixel, and weight, let me give it 500. So as you can see, we have added this first text. So again I will do one thing, again I will copy the second one also, and then I will again go to the widget section, and from here again I will let me drag this heading on the left hand side, and here again I will paste the same title, and then I will make the alignment to center. Now this time again I can go to the style and let me change the text color to black, and then the typography, again click on this pencil icon, and here font family give it Montserrat, and font size let me give it 90 pixel, and weight leave it 600, and then if you want to give it a line height 1.5 you can give. Now make sure you are clicking on this update button regularly whenever you are making changes, because it will be help you to save your changes. So now here you can see that this 2017 is exactly looking like this collection text also. So what we can do, let me copy this collection one from here, and then I will go to our page builder, and here I will right click on this heading element, and then here you will find this duplicate option. You can click on this duplicate option and then drag it just under the spring, and then here let us change the text. So here you can see that we have added this much of text. Now we have to add this paragraph and then a button. So now let us quickly add a paragraph. So what I will do, again I will copy this paragraph from here, and then I will go to the widget section of the Elementor, and here you will find a text editor. You have to drag this text editor, and then in this paragraph, or let me paste my paragraph over here, and then here I will go to the style option. Let us make the alignment to center, text color make it black color, and then let us change the typography. From here typography, again click on this pencil icon, and here you have to change the font family to Montserrat again, and then size here let me give it 14 pixel, and weight let us give it will be 400, weight is fine. Now we have to create this button. So now let us start creating this button. So for this button, again we have to go to this widget section, and here you have to search for button and drag this button after the paragraph text, and then as you can see that in our demo website we have this text on shop now text on the button. So now let us change the text. So here you can see that we have the text, click here. So I am going to make it shop now. I think so here you can see that the text is changed. Now if you want to give the link of your shop page, you can give it from here. So on link you have to search for shop, and here you can getting this, you can give a link to the shop page. After that here on alignment, let us make it center align, and then I am going to the style, and here let us change the typography. So here it will be, let it be 14 pixel, and then weight I am going to give it 400, and then as you can see that all the text are in uppercase. So here transform I am going to make it uppercase, so that all the text will be look like uppercase, and then here let me give it 1.5 em, and then here background text color make it white, and then background color make it black color, and on hover if you want to change the background color and text color you can change it. So I am not going to change it, I am going to leaving as it is. So now as you can see that on this section we have a background image. So let me tell you how you can add that. So now click on this 6 dot for the to edit the section, and here you will find this edit section option. Now make this make it stretch section, and then go to the style, and from here background type select classic. So now after selecting this classic you will get this image upload option. So now click on this image and you will find to upload it. So now let me quickly select a file to upload. So here you can see we have these all the images which we have to use on our website. So let me upload all these images that we are going to use. So now here you can see that we have to use this image. So I am going to click on insert media. After that in this layout option you will find this height, make it fit to screen, and then here let us go to the style option, and here position make it center, and then attachment repeat make it no repeat, and then size make it content, or you can give it as cover. So now you can see that we have done with our first section. So here in our demo website you can see that we are getting a parallax effect when we are scrolling on this page. So if you want to know more about these types of elements, these type of setting, how you can create amazing designs, amazing style like this, you must check out our course, so that you are going to get learn more effects and more styling to make your website beautiful. So now let us move to our next section, because we have done with our first section. So now let's start creating the second section. So here in the second section you can see we have these images over here. So now how let us take this a single section with 3 column. So again I am going to click on this plus icon to add a single section, and then here I am selecting this 3 section. So here now you can see that I am having a section with 3 columns. So what I will do, first of all let us go to the section setting. As you can see that we are already in this section setting. So what I am going to do, I will select this advanced option and make sure you are selecting this EM option and make a top 4 and bottom 4 EM of margin. Now let me click on update. So as you can see that these are all images. So now let us add these images. So I will go to the element section of the Elementor, and then I will drag this image to the first column. So let me select that image. So here you can see that let me select this one and then click on insert media, and then again I will go to this element section of the Elementor and I will drag this image to the second column, and then let me select that image for the second column, this one let me select. And then in the same way again I am going to the element section of this Elementor, and then from here again I am going to drag this image to the third column also. So now let me choose the image for the third column also, and then click on insert media. So now you can see that we are having this single section with all the 3 columns, and if you want to make it stretch section also you can enable it. And now you can see that this is how it's going to look like. So we have completed with our third section also. So now let us move to our fourth section, or we can say it let us move to our third section. So now here on the third section you can see that we have this feature products, and then we have listed these 3 number of products here. So now let us create this one. So first of all again I am going to click on this plus icon to add a single section. So let me take a single section only, and then I will in this section setting I will go to the advanced option, and then from here make sure you have selected this margin to the EM, and let me add a top 4 EM and a bottom 4 EM of margin. After adding the margin, now let us we have to add this heading. So now let us start adding this heading. So now what I will do, again I will click on this 9 dot and go to the element section of the Elementor, or you can call it a widgets section for the Elementor, and then here let us search for the divider. So here you can get one option of divider. Let me drag it to our section, and then here you can make suppose if you want to change the alignment, if you want to change the width percentage, you can do. So now I am not going to do all of these things. So here you can find this on add element, you can add a text. So let us add a text here. From here text I am going to give it a featured product. So let me give it featured products. After that now let us go to the style and do some changes with the style. So first of all what I will do, again I will change, if you want to change this divider weight and gap, so let me change the weight to 3, so that the weights here you can see that the designer this weight divider weight is changed. After that now let us go to the text option, and here let us change this. I will select this text color also black, and then now I am going to change the text typography. Font family, again I will select this Montserrat, and then size I am going to give it a 24 pixel size, and then weight let me give it 600. After that now in our demo website you can see that all the text are in uppercase. So again for this, in this transform we have to select uppercase and then click on update. So now here you can see we have added this heading. So now it's time to add these 4 products. So now let me tell you how you can do that. Again, go to the widget section of the Elementor and then here search for products. So whenever you will type here for product, you will, let me search here product grid, and we are going to use this product grid by Elementor add-ons. Let me drag it under our divider text, and then now here you can see that this is how it's going to exactly look like. We have done with this, we have, let me refresh the page again, because here you can see that sometimes it occurs. So here you can see that we have added this divider heading, and then we have added this products also. So with this we have completed the third section of this website. Let us see how it's going to look like. So here you can see, so maybe there is some issue with this page builder or something. So in this live website you can see that we have done with our third section of the website. So now let us move to the fourth section, and in this fourth section you can find we have a text on the left hand side only, and then we have a background image. So now let's start creating this one. So for this, again I am going to take a single section with 2 columns, so that these things will be look proper aligned and all. That's why I have taken a single section with 2 columns. And then what I will do, I am going to reduce this other column with percentage to 40%. And then let us first add this background image, then we are going to add this text, because these texts are on white color, so it's not going to visible. So now let us start adding the background image. So again I am going to the edit section, and then here I will select style and then background type. Let me select classic, and now I am going to add that image. So here you can see that this is the image, and then click on insert media. After that, go to the layout and make it a stretch section. Then in advanced option we have to add a padding, so let me make sure you have selected this EM, and I am going to add a 3 or 4 top and a 4 bottom EM of padding. Now we have done. So let us go to the style option. Position I will make it center, and then size I will make it a cover, and then here repeat, make sure you have selected no repeat. Now click on update. So now let us start adding these text. So here let me select a text from here, and then again I will go to this widget section of the Elementor, and I will drag this heading, and here I am going to paste the title. So now let us customize the title. So first of all, let us make it a center aligned, and then you have to click on this style option and change the text color to white. After that let us change the typography for the text. So to change the typography, I am going to select on this pencil icon, and here font family I am going to select Montserrat, and then size I will give it 55 pixel. Weight you can reduce the weight to 400 pixel, and now let me give it 1.5 em of line height. After that here in our demo website you can see that we have one more text. So for this, again I am going to copy the text, and what I will do, I will right click on this heading element, and then I will duplicate this heading element. So now in the title part, let me change the text title. Again go to the style to customize the text. So for this, again here you can see that we have this white color and all. So now let us go to this typography and change it. So click on this pencil icon to change the typography, and then here we have to make the weight to 700 only, because we have the same font family and size, everything is there, but only we have to increase this the weight only. Now click on update. So after the weight you can see that we have a button. So before that if you will see in our demo website, we have a blackish overlay for this image, but in our main website where we are creating, there is no overlay we have added. So we can again click on this 6 dots to go to this section, and then here we can add this background overlay option, we can add this background overlay. So let me here select the color to black color, and now here you can easily find this background overlay. Here let me make it 0.5. now it's looking fine. So what I will do, again I will go to this advanced and let me add a 4 em of top and bottom margin also, and then here we have to add a button of shop now. So what I will do, again I will go to the widget section of the Elementor, and here I am going to search for button, and let me just drag this button under the accessories text, and then here I will make the alignment to center, and from here also if you want to give any length you can give it from here. Now let me change the text to shop now. As you can see that this is also in uppercase. So now let us customize the style and also color. I'm going to make the color transparent, and then border style, let me select it, and let me give it a 3 border style, and then text color you can leave it as white, and then typography. So here again select this Montserrat, and give a weight of 14 pixel, and if you want to give a line height 1.2, it will be better. So now click on update. So here you can see we have one more thing is that this buttons text will be an uppercase. So here in this typography setting you can make this transform to uppercase, and then here you can see that we are done with this section also. So now let me add some more padding to it. Let me give it a 6. I think 6 will look more good. So now here you can see that with this we have completed this section also. So now we have done with our 4th number of section. Now let us move to this 5th section of our home page. So now here you can see that this is how our 5th section of the website is going to look like. We have these 3 images, and below those images we have some text. So now let us start creating this section. So for this section again I will click on this plus icon to add a single section, and then here I am taking 3 columns. So here I am taking a single section with 3 columns, and then make sure you have first click on this 6 dot to go to this section setting, and then go to the advanced tab of the section setting, and here in margin make sure you have selected this em and give a 4 em top and a 4 em bottom margin. And after that let me go to this click on this 9 dot and go to the widget section of the Elementor, and we are here. What we will do, I will first drag an image, and let me select a image from here. So let me select this one, and then I will click on insert media, and below this image what I will do, again I will go to this element section, and here I will drag this heading under that text. So after that let us go here and let me copy the text from here. Now you can see I have copied the text, and then I will paste it in the title option. So here after pasting the title under this text I will make the alignment to center, and then now let me change this typography and style. So to change the typography and style, what I will do, again I will go to the style option, and here let me give the text color black text color, and then let me change the typography. To change the typography you have to click on this pencil icon to change it. So let me change the typography. Font family, here I am going to give it Montserrat, and then size I will give it 16 pixel, and let me change the weight to 500 pixel. So now here you can see that we have done with a single column. So now what you can do, you can right click on a column and duplicate it 2 times, and then we can delete rest of these blank columns. So let me right click and delete the blank column. After that now we have to change these images of each column, and then within a few minutes of you can see that we have completed with this section. So now here what I will do, I will copy this images and paste it over here. Let me change this titles from here, and as you can see that with this we have completed with this section. And then after this let me change it, let me select and change it. And then when you will go to this demo website, here you can see that we have one more option with this follow us on Instagram. So here what you can do, again let us take a single section here. Now I have taken a single section, and then I will drag this heading in this, and then let me copy the text from here. And then now what I will do, in the title option I will paste that text. After pasting the text in the title option, let us go to the style option to change the typography and style. So first of all, here let me give the text color to black, and then typography I will select it as a Montserrat, and let me give the size to 20 pixel, and weight I am going to give it left it as 600. Now let us again go to the content, and here I will delete these content because okay. Now here I have to also delete this one text here. And then here if you want to give a link to your Instagram, you can give it in this link. Now let me make it a center align, and then what I will do, I will select this column setting, and let us go to the advance of this column setting, and make sure you have selected this EM and give a top unlink the padding, and give a top 4 EM and a bottom 4 EM of padding. Now go to the style option, and here background type, select this classic option and give a background color of E4 E4 E4, and then go to this layout tab, and here enable this stretch section. Now you can see that we have completed with this section also. So now with this we have completed our home page. Now let us quickly create this about us page and contact us page for our website. So now here you can see that this is how our about us page is going to look like. So now let us start creating the about us page. So for this here you can see that although there is nothing more in this about us page, but I have already provided you the template for this about us page, contact us page, for this header and the footer. So now we are going to use as template, and quickly we can create this thing. So now let us start quickly creating our about us page. So first of all, here what I will do, here click on these three lines and click here exit to dashboard to go to the dashboard. So now here again click on this WordPress logo to go back to the pages section. So now here we can see that we don't have any about us page, so let us quickly create a about us page. So click on this add new button, and then here in this title I am going to give it about us, and then content layout I will make it full width, and then padding I will disable the padding. Then let us go to this title and disable the title also. Click on publish to publish the page, and let us see in a new tab how this look like. So here you can see that it is completely blank. So now what I will do, again I am going to click on this edit with Elementor. And now as I have already told you that on that folder only you will get that add to new. So let me tell you, first you have to click on this folder option, and then go to this my template, and here you can see that you don't have any template. So let us upload a template. Click on this symbol to upload, and then here you have to select the file. So now you let us select the file, and then on that folder which you will download from the link in the description, there you will get one template option. And here let me quickly insert all the templates. So about us has done. Again I am going to click on this select file, and then upload this contact us template, and then let me upload the header and footer template. So here header also uploaded, and I think let me again upload it header, and then now I will upload this footer. So here you can see that we have uploaded all of them. So now let us insert this about. To insert this about us page, here you will find this insert button. Click on that insert button to insert the page. Here I will click on yes, and now here you can see that we have done with our about us page. So whatever changes if you want to make, let me click on view revision, update the setting. So whatever changes if you want to make, if you want to change this color or anything, in this let me change this color, and if you want to change it like 400, or here if you want to make this 300 and all. So here these are the settings you can do. You can change this text also. So with this we have completed our about us page. Let me click on this update to save this about us page, and then again click on this exit to dashboard to go back to the dashboard. After that here we have a contact us page. So here you can see that this is how our contact us page is going to look like. So now let us start quickly creating this contact us page also. So what I will do, again I will click on this WordPress logo and go back to the pages section, and here let me click on this add new button to create our contact us page. To create a contact us page, here let me quickly add a title of contact us, and then again I will make the content layout to full width, and then padding I will disable the padding, and then from your title also I will disable the title. Now let me click on publish to publish this page. Now let us open this page on a new tab and let's see how it's going to look like. So now here you can see that it is completely blank. So now let us click on this edit with Elementor to load our Elementor page builder. So now here you can see that our Elementor page builder is loaded successfully. So we have to click on this folder option, as we have already uploaded our template. So let us select that template. So here you can see that now I will click on insert to insert the contact us template. So now here you can see that we have imported this template, but here one problem is that we have to change this select contact form. So let me select this contact form 1, but here you can see that we are not getting that exact design. So what I will do, let me click on this update, and then here on a new tab go back to the dashboard, and if you will see that folder, there you will be getting one text file with this contact form. Copy the entire code from there, and now here you have to go to this contact option. Let me open that contact option, and then here what I will do, I will edit this contact form 1 and I will replace the entire code, and then let me save the code. And then here if I will refresh the page, so now you can see that we are getting this exactly the same design as we have in our demo website. So we have done with our contact form also. Now we have also completed with this contact us page. Now let me click on this 3 line and click on this exit to dashboard. So now here you can see that we have done our home page, about us page, contact us page, shop page also done. So now what we have to do, we have to create menu. So here you can see that we have this menus on this main menu, and then here we have this different categories of menu. So now let us start creating this menu. So first of all, to create a menu you have to hover over on this appearance, and then here you can see this menu option. After in this menu option, let us first create this I will give a name of this menu with, let me give this name heading menu. And then here what I will do, I will not select any of these from here. I will only click on this create menu to create this menu. Now you can see that this menu is created, and then go to this custom links, and here let us quickly add here URL. I will give this hashtag, and then link text I will type here men, and then again I will give the blank URL. Let me give this blank URL, and then here I will type women, and then again I will give this blank URL accessories, and then let me quickly create some of this menu, new arrivals. After that here you can see that we have dresses, shoes. So let me quickly create it again blank or dresses, and again a blank URL, and here I am going to create shoes, and then here you can see that we have this bottom gift sale. So let me give it again blank, and here I will give gifts, Over here I have made a mistake, so let me correct it. Gifts, and then again one blank URL, and I will give it sale. And let me give this much only. The main idea is I will tell you how we can use it. After that, here you can see that on the top of it we have this home, about us. So for that, again let us create a new menu. So here what I will do, I will click on this create a new menu, and then here I will give it a name, main menu. And here also again I am not going to select any of these things from here. Let me, or I will going to select on this mobile optional, and then let me create the menu. Now in the main menu, if you will see here, we have home, about us, my account, shop, and contact us page. So let me, if you will view all in this pages section, home, about us, and then here my account, contact us, and then shop page, you are getting all of the pages in this single. Now let me click on this add new to add this to our page. Let me drag this contact us to the down, and then home, my account, then we have about us, or home, about us, my account, shop, and contact us page. So we have done with our main menu also. Now let me click on this save menu, or I can disable this one also. Let me click on save menu. So as we have created these two menus, so now let us first create our header. So what I will do, if you can hover over this element kits, and then here you will find this header and footer. Click on this header footer, and here you can create header footer for your website. To create header footer, now click on this add new, and then here we have to give our title. So here I am giving a title of header, and then type, it will be header, and then activation, keep it on, and then let us click on this edit content to add our header. So I have given, or we have already uploaded the header template to our Elementor page builder. What we will do, click on this folder option and go to my template, and here we have to import this header. So let me click on this insert, and then now within a few minutes, now you can see that our header is imported. So what we have to do here, we have to click on this menu, and then let me select this menu here, main menu, and then after that, here in this menu, you can, let me select this heading menu, and for this section I can, let me right click on it and delete this section. And then now you can see that we have this menus, and we have this menu, and then we got this text of this call us, and then mail. And now if you want to make this CMS guys text to act as a link, so here you can make it to a home page link. And then let me click on say update, and then here on the right side we need a cart button. So search here for cart, and then here you can drag this cart here, or if you want to hide this cart is empty, so you can make this cart like this. After that, let me click on update. So now let us quickly add this footer. So again click on this three dot and go to this exit to dashboard, and then here hover over this element kits again. Where is that? And then now here click on this header and footer, and now let us add our footer. So click on this add new button, and then here title, again I am going to give it footer, and then type, it will be footer, and then activation, make it on. And now let us change this content for our footer. So for this, again we have already our template. So let me click on this plus icon, and we have to click on this folder icon, and in this my template we have to click on insert to our footer. So now here you can see that we have inserted our footer also. So let us see, here you can see we have done with the footer. Let me click on update, and then here if I will open this or refresh this site, so if you will find that entire header and then footer, and with all the pages working. And then here if I am clicking on this CMS guys, it is taking me to the home page. If I am going to the shop page, so all the links are working here. And then with this we have completed our this website. So let me quickly close this one. So here you can see that we have done with this, we have completed the entire design of this page. So thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about any kind of website, then you can leave a comment below, so that I will create the next tutorial on that video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe our channel.